Hello everyone, my name is Marwan Hussein and I want to welcome you to something truly special, the Ultimate Blender Mastery Bundle. Over the past 15 years, I've worked as a 3D artist, and for the last 6 years, Blender has been my exclusive tool. In this journey, I've taught more than 25,000 students worldwide, helping beginners, designers, and professionals unlock the full potential of Blender. Now, I've decided to bring together my 5 most powerful courses into one complete bundle. This is not just another training program. It's a full learning path that will take you from mastering the fundamentals to creating advanced, portfolio-ready projects. So, what exactly will you get inside? Foundations of Blender. Learn the interface, modeling, unwrapping, materials, lighting, and rendering. Everything you need to build a strong base. Interior design mastery. Create photorealistic interiors from start to finish, mastering furniture modeling, textures, cinematic lighting, and final rendering. Automotive projects. Build the Jeep Gladiator Rubicon and the Rolls-Royce Spectre, 2 advanced professional car models, learning precision modeling, procedural materials, and studio rendering workflows. Cinematic challenge. The Dune Ornithopter project, covering modeling, UV unwrapping with UDIMs, texturing in Substance Painter, rigging, and environment creation. And here's what makes this bundle truly unique. With every course, you don't just learn, you also receive the final professional 3D models completely ready to use. Whether it's the Jeep, the Rolls-Royce, the Ornithopter, or the interior scenes, these assets are included for free. On marketplaces, models of this quality are usually sold separately for a high price, sometimes costing as much as an entire course. But here, you're getting them alongside the full training. So you gain both the ready-made assets and the knowledge to create them yourself. By the end of this bundle, you won't just know how to use Blender. You'll have real skills, professional projects, and high-value 3D models that you can showcase, study, or expand upon. This is your chance to learn Blender in a structured, practical way, guided step by step, with projects and assets that truly matter. If you've been looking for the right opportunity to take your 3D career or passion to the next level, this is it. So join me inside and let's start building together.